Sweet. Yeah, I figured it would.
I really didn't think much about them. Hope they don't run through the fence back there. Well, that one calf is still alive back there.
Yeah.
And it's eating some grass along the edge of the fence back there.
Yeah.
Well, did it work out pretty good?
It did.
Is it a video or just pictures?
It's a video.
Really, I don't know. Maybe I should try to drag it on up that way.